Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the scene safe and taking the first direct actions. Put on gloves, eye protection, and a high-vis vest, then park the recovery truck on firm, level ground and engage the parking brake. Once done, place wheel chocks on the vehicle and on the truck to prevent movement. Next, communicate with your spotter, agree on signals or a radio channel so everyone knows when the winch will be powered. Immediately inspect harness points and rated recovery gear before proceeding. You now rig the system and begin controlled recovery. Position the truck to minimize side load, keep the pull angle under about 15 degrees, or fit a snatch block to alter direction and have line load. Attach rated soft straps to manufacturer recovery points and protect anchor points with a tree protector or equalizer strap. Operate the winch with the remote in short, deliberate pulls, pausing frequently to read dress lines and check hardware temperature. Maintain clear lines of communication with your spotter throughout this detailed phase. Finish by securing the recovered vehicle and stowing equipment methodically. Once the vehicle is aligned, use rated straps at 4 anchor points in tension to hold the load, then verify parking brake and transmission are appropriate for transport. Lower and rewind the winch slowly, inspect the cable and hardware for nicks or heat damage, and stow straps and blocks. Make sure to complete any required paperwork or photos. If anything jams or overheats, stop immediately. Release tension slowly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.